10th Samachir Max exercise 3.13 third sum. Roots of a minus b into x square plus b minus c into x plus c minus a is equal to 0 are real and equal. Then prove that b, a, c are in arithmetic progression. So I have written b, a, c are in arithmetic progression. AP means arithmetic progression. If they are in arithmetic progression, you must know that second term minus the first term. So a minus b is equal to third term minus second term. That is second minus the first is equal to third minus second. That is b, a minus b is equal to c minus a. A minus b is equal to c minus a. So a I am taking to one side. So here a, here also a. So a plus a is equal to b. If you take to the other side, it becomes positive, b plus c. So 2a is equal to b plus c. So this is what you are going to prove. Okay, they have asked you if it is in an arithmetic, the roots are real and equal. Roots are real and equal means b square minus a 4 minus c is equal to 0. That is what you are going to prove. Then b, a, c are in arithmetic progression that you have to show. So by finding out this, you have to show this is equal to this. So now you first write from your equation, you write a minus b into x square plus b minus c into x plus c minus a is equal to 0. That means a is equal to, write a is equal to a minus b. Your b is equal to b minus c. C is equal to c minus a. So you have found out first what is a, b and c. Okay. After this, you can write del is equal to b square minus 4ac when roots are real and equal. So when the roots are real and equal, you know that del is equal to b square minus 4ac. So substitute now. In the place of b, you will write b minus c the whole square minus 4 into a c is equal to 0. So that is because it is equal to 0 means roots are real and equal. So you know a is equal to 0. That is your condition. So del is equal to b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So now we have to subtract and find out whether it is now expand this. So you will get b square minus 2bc plus c square. So a minus b the whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. In the place of a you have b, in the place of b you have c. So I am writing this equation. So b square minus 2b plus c square minus 4 into multiply both of this. So you will get ac multiply minus a square minus bc plus ab is equal to 0. Now multiply with this 4. So you will get b square minus 2bc plus c square minus 4ac plus 4a square minus into minus plus 4bc minus into plus minus 4ab is equal to 0. Now you will get here 4a square, I am writing in order, 4a square plus b square plus c square minus 4ac minus 2bc. See here you have 4bc minus 2bc. So your answer will be plus 2bc. 4 minus 2 will give you 2bc. So these two are like terms. Minus 4ab is equal to 0. So now you can see wherever a is there you have a value as 2. You know your formula a minus b, a minus a plus b plus c the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square minus 2a plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. Already you have learned this. Okay. So using this format, this is here in the place of a you have 2a. So 2a the whole square plus b square plus c square minus of 2a into, in your formula you have 2. So minus 2 into 2ac plus 2 into, in your formula 2 plus c minus 2 into 2a into b is equal to 0. So, this is, you can find out that your first value is 2a. So, you can write 2a. Here you have negative where you have c, you have negative where you have b. You know the first term will always be positive. So, 2a is positive. So, here your c is positive, here b is also positive. So, minus b minus c, the whole square is equal to 0. That is 2a minus b minus c is equal to 0. So, 2a is equal to, take this to this side, b plus c. So, you are getting the first condition, 2a is equal to b plus c. So, this is second. So, 1 is equal to 2. Therefore, it is in AP, arithmetic progression.